Use ChatGPT to practice and master English. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to practice and master English in a very easy and effective way.
That's right. Many learners feel shy when practicing English with other people. But with ChatGPT, you have a friendly partner who never gets tired, never judges, and is always ready to talk with you. Today, Annie and I will show you step by step how ChatGPT can become your personal English coach.
So, let's begin with the first point. ChatGPT can help you practice simple conversations. For example, you can type a question like, "How are you today?" and ChatGPT will reply politely. This is perfect for beginners who want to learn greetings, introductions, and small talk.
Yes, and what's even better is that you can repeat the same conversation many times until you feel confident. Unlike a human friend who might get bored, ChatGPT will always respond patiently. This repetition builds confidence in speaking and writing English.
The second way is vocabulary practice. Many learners know some English but struggle to use the right words. You can ask ChatGPT to give you new words on any topic. For example, travel, food, or business. Then you can practice sentences with those words.
And you can also ask ChatGPT to explain the meaning in very simple English. For example, if you ask about the word curious, ChatGPT can explain it as wanting to know more about something. This way you don't need a heavy dictionary all the time.
Exactly. The third point is grammar correction. Many learners worry about making grammar mistakes. You can write a short paragraph in English and ask ChatGPT to check it. It will correct your errors and also explain why the correction is needed.
This is very powerful because many times we don't realize what mistakes we make. When ChatGPT highlights them, we become more careful next time. Slowly, our grammar improves without feeling like a boring school lesson.
Another helpful use is role-playing. You can ask ChatGPT to act as a shopkeeper, a hotel receptionist, or even a job interviewer. Then you can practice conversations in real situations. This makes learning English more practical and fun.
Yes, I think role-playing is one of the best ways to prepare for real life. For example, if you are going to the airport, you can practice with ChatGPT. "Excuse me, where is the check-in counter?" ChatGPT will reply like an airport staff member. This gives you confidence before you face the real situation.
Let's also talk about writing practice. Many people want to write emails, essays, or reports in English. ChatGPT can help by giving you sample sentences, correcting your drafts, or suggesting better words. Step by step, you can build a strong writing style.
I agree. And if you want to prepare for exams like IELTS or TOEFL, ChatGPT can give you practice questions. You can write an essay and ask ChatGPT to give feedback. This is like having a personal teacher available anytime.
Another benefit is pronunciation practice. Now, ChatGPT cannot speak out loud by itself in text form, but you can connect it with text-to-speech tools or read the sentences it gives you. By repeating them, you can improve your pronunciation and speaking flow.
That's true. And some learners even use ChatGPT with a microphone and apps where it can speak. This makes practice more interactive, almost like speaking with a real person.
Let's not forget motivation. Many learners stop practicing because they feel bored or lonely. ChatGPT can make the journey more interesting. You can ask it to quiz you, tell you jokes in English, or even play word games.
Yes, and because ChatGPT is always available, you don't have to wait for a teacher's schedule. If you feel like practicing at midnight, you can open it and start. This flexibility is very useful for busy students and workers.
But we should also remember one thing. ChatGPT is a great helper, but it is not perfect. Sometimes it may give a small mistake or an answer that is too simple. That's why it's good to double check with other sources, especially if you are preparing for important exams.
Exactly. Think of ChatGPT as your practice partner, not as the only teacher. Use it to practice daily, then combine it with reading books, watching English videos, and speaking with real people. This balanced approach will give you the best results.
So, Altaf, if we summarize, using ChatGPT for English learning has many benefits: conversation practice, vocabulary building, grammar correction, role playing, writing support, pronunciation practice, and constant motivation.
Yes, and the most important thing is consistency. If you practice with ChatGPT every day, even for just 15 minutes, you will see real improvement in your English skills.
I hope our viewers now understand how easy it is to use ChatGPT as a daily English partner.
And I encourage everyone to try it today. Don't wait. Just open ChatGPT, start a small conversation, and step by step, you will feel your English becoming stronger.
So, in today's video, we learned how ChatGPT can help us practice simple conversations, build vocabulary, correct grammar, role play real situations, support writing, guide pronunciation, and keep us motivated.
That's the full picture. ChatGPT is like a friendly coach available 24/7. Use it wisely, and mastering English will become a smooth journey.
Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and we will see you in the next lesson.